Welcome back to Let's Stud. Math time. Who's ready to solve this one? Before starting, please subscribe to the Let's Stud channel for more exciting videos. Let's divide 264 by 3. We have the number 264. How many times does 3 fit into 2? It fits 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. You're doing awesome. Now let's look at the next digit. We're now looking at 26. Bring down the 6 to make 26. How many times does 3 fit into 26? It fits 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. Keep up the great work. Let's move to the last digit. We're now looking at 24. Bring down the 4 to make 24. How many times does 3 fit into 24? It fits 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. You're a math superstar. And we have no remainder. Great job! We've successfully divided 264 by 3. Ready for the next problem? Let's keep dividing. Let's divide 77 by 11. We start with the number 77. How many times does 11 fit into 7? It fits 0 times. 0 times 11 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. You're doing great. Let's bring down the next digit. We're looking at 77 now. Bring down the 7 to make 77. How many times does 11 fit into 77? It fits 7 times. 7 times 11 is 77. 77 minus 77 is 0. You're a math whiz. And we have no remainder. Fantastic! We divided 77 by 11 and got 7. Awesome job! Let's tackle another division problem. Time to divide 984 by 12. We start with 984. How many times does 12 fit into 9? It fits 0 times. 0 times 12 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. You're doing fantastic. Let's see the next digit. Now we look at 98. Bring down the 8 to make 98. How many times does 12 fit into 98? It fits 8 times. 8 times 12 is 96. 98 minus 96 is 2. You're a math champion. Let's grab the last digit. We're looking at 24. Bring down the 4 to make 24. How many times does 12 fit into 24? It fits 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Woohoo, you nailed it. And we're done with no remainder. You've got this. We divided 984 by 12. You're on a roll. Let's do another one. Let's divide 48 by 24. We start with the number 48. How many times does 24 fit into 4? It fits 0 times. 0 times 24 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. You're doing great. Let's bring down the next digit. We're looking at 48 now. Bring down the 8 to make 48. How many times does 24 fit into 48? It fits 2 times. 2 times 24 is 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. You're a math superstar. And we have no remainder. Incredible! We divided 48 by 24 and got 2. Fantastic work, ready for the last one. Let's divide 532 by 28. We start with the number 532. How many times does 28 fit into 5? It fits 0 times. 0 times 28 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. You're doing great. Let's bring down the next digit. We're looking at 53 now. Bring down the 3 to make 53. How many times does 28 fit into 53? It fits 1 time. 1 times 28 is 28. 53 minus 28 is 25. Keep up the amazing work. Let's bring down the last digit. We're looking at 252. Bring down the 2 to make 252. How many times does 28 fit into 252? It fits 9 times. 9 times 28 is 252. 252 minus 252 is 0. You are a math superstar. And we have no remainder. Amazing, we divided 532 by 28. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome content. See you in the next one.